How to fix cute not sending email on Gmail. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application on your device over here. As you launch the Play Store application, simply search for Gmail over here and make sure you have the updated version of the Gmail application on your device. So here, as you can see, there's an update available. So you can simply tap on update and start updating the application. After getting it updated, simply launch the settings application on your device, and as you launch the settings application, scroll down to apps over here. Now tap on manage apps, and as you select on manage apps, you can simply search for Gmail application over here. So you can tap on the search bar and simply search for Gmail. So it might take few seconds, so you might have to just wait for a little bit until you search for it. So let's search for it and have a little bit patience until the app pops up at the bottom of the screen. So let's search for it and make sure you have proper connection. So let's see for the application over here. Let's type in again and let's search for it since the app is not showing up over here. So let's try again, and here it comes. So let's tap on the application, tap on the clear data option at the bottom right corner, and simply select on clear cache and tap on OK. Now you can relaunch Gmail application, and this might definitely help you out. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.